What's the meaning of crackpot? Crackpot. Crackpot.
Crackpot. Crackpot. The term crackpot is generally used as a derogatory label given to people who hold unconventional or outlandish ideas that are often considered to be absurd or impossible. It can refer to conspiracy theorists, pseudoscientists, or anyone who promotes a theory or idea that lacks evidence or scientific basis. Being labeled a crackpot typically means that one's ideas are not taken seriously by the mainstream, and may be dismissed outright without further consideration or investigation. Overall, being called a crackpot is not a positive thing and can damage one's credibility and reputation.